Welcome to EagleMindUSA, the place where sharp minds rise, and quick thinkers win. Eagle sparkles. Get ready to challenge your brain, test your speed, and prove your intelligence. Alright friends, get ready. Puzzle number 1 is on your screen. Your time starts now. Hourglass not done. Look closely. In the first puzzle, we have the letter tick. In the second puzzle, we have the word talk. Now combine them. What do we get? Tick, tock, yes. The answer is tick-tock. Alright friends, get ready. Puzzle number 2 is on your screen. Your time starts now. Hourglass not done. Look closely. In the first puzzle, we have the letter tella. In the second puzzle, we have the word garm. Now combine them. What do we get? Tella. Garm, yes. The answer is telegram. Alright friends, get ready. Puzzle number 3 is on your screen. Your time starts now. Hourglass not done. Look closely. In the first puzzle, we have the letter Google. In the second puzzle, we have the word app maps. Now combine them. What do we get? Google. Maps, yes. The answer is Google Maps. So tell us in the comments, did you guess it before the timer ended? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for the next puzzle.